Wait, what did that page say?
Don't push a button.
Okay, don't push the button.
We got lots of donkey. And we get more of donkey. And we hunt house. I see you later. Hunt house is there. Yeah, we don't hunt it. Monsters.
The haunted house is scary. Don't go in there. There's monsters in there. Hey, let me see that. That's pretty close to accurate there. Okay, next page.
Stop.
Stop.
I'll bring down a haunted house. Stop it.
Stop. Don't go in the haunted house.
Don't push a button.
What do you say?
Don't push a button.
Please don't push the button. Oh, push the button. What do you say on Halloween when someone answers the door?
Monsters.
Oh, monsters. Trick or treat. Like monsters. Hurry, shout boo to make them go away. Oh, wait a sec. You're skipping some pages. Oh, here, let me help. Look, shout boo to scare them away.
Boo. Boo.
They're gone. That worked. Now what? What do we need to do to this?
Get in a haunted house.
How do we get in? What do we do? What do we need to do? We need to cut the string. Look, there's that S sound. String. String. Cut the string. Good job. Open. Turn the page. The note.
Monsters.
What does the note say? What do you remember we have to do to turn on the lights?
Yes.
What do you have to do?
Scare monsters away.
Scare the monsters away, or you can clap 2 times. Okay, turn the page. Oh, that was 3. That works too. Yay, you did it! Surprise!
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Yeah? Dinosaur?
No, I don't know.
Oh, so what? Wait. What's that right there?
Button.
The button. You got to count to 3 to push the button.
1, 2, 3. Push a button.
Then what happens?
Don't understand.
What happens when you push the button?
A candy came out.
That's right. All the candy came out. Happy Halloween. Hey, can you count to 10?
1, 2,
Wait a sec. I got to hear you.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, you counted to 10? What comes after 10?
2.
2. Not quite. 11.
Understand?
And then what?
2.
12.
12.
13, 14, 15.
14, 15, 20.
Good job, love. Good job. You're so smart. Are you smart?
Yeah.
Super smart, huh?
I bet blow away, Mommy.
I know. I know.
I